Alright, so we're going to show you how to diagnose a motor not working. So we've got a full display, everything comes on, and we hit the throttle, and nothing happens. When we go for the pedal assist, nothing happens. Okay? So what I'd like you to do is each one of these brake levers has a brake switch wire coming off of it. This is your brake hose, this one's your brake switch. And if you look, there is a plug right here. So we want you to unplug that left brake switch. Then we want you to unplug this brake switch. The brake switches all have red plugs on them. Okay? Then come back. Shazam! We got power and we got pedal assist. Okay? Now I want you to plug it back in one at a time. So we plug this one in. Check it. It works. And we plug the other side in. It does not work. Leads me to believe this brake switch is bad. So if we leave it unplugged, we could still ride the bike. But call us and we will send you a new brake switch. To get the brake switch off, it's an 11mm nut right here. And you just unscrew it, slide the new one in, plug it in. It's that easy.